Hi, my name is Ashika Agrawal. Let's have a look at this problem. Given that line WV is parallel to line ZY and line WZ is parallel to line VY in the diagram, find X. So, to make things better, I'm going to draw another diagram. So here's W, here's Z, here's V, and here's Y. Since here there's 140 degrees, here 140 degrees would be there. So here 140 degrees. To make things even better, I'm going to draw another diagram. This one goes like this. So here's 140 degrees, so that means this is 140 degrees. So that means this whole thing is 140. But I only want this part, so I'm going to do 140 minus 3x. I can see that there's a 180 degree here. So I'm going to do 140 minus 3x plus 90, since this is 90 degrees, plus x, which equals to 180. So now 140 plus 90, that equals to 230 minus 2x equals to 180. I'm gonna bring 180 over here and minus 2 there. So it becomes 230 minus 180 equals to 2x. So 50 equals to 2x. X equals to 25. That's the answer. Bye!